Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Rai and I'm from Nepal. This is my CS50 final project, a simple console-based journal application. It allows users to add, view and list your journal. So yeah, let's get it started. Okay, Python project.py. It will ask for your name in the beginning, so let's give, and we have this welcome message and 3 options to choose from. So let's choose one and add new journal. Okay, one title, one content. Hello there, you're more okay, happy, of course, happy. Okay, success message and JSON file. Okay, so let's add another one. 12. So to content, hello again, and happy, of course, success. Okay, now we have 2 journals. Okay, and to view the journals, of course, you have to type yes and option 2. Okay, looks great, right? So we have this date and title, content and more. We have 2 journals in total, so let's search now. Okay, search. As you can see, I only have date, time and journal title. So let's see if I want to print this one, the first one. Okay, by index number. I need to type my index number, so 1, and as you can see, I have this full title, content and more. And if you see up above, you have this. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thank you.